This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by the Veterinary Medical Center in Easton.
Okay, so has this ever happened to you? You get home from that long day at work.
Right.
You open the front door, and then you get that exuberant greeting from your dog. The tail's just going at it, big, wet, sloppy kisses. And then it hits you square in the face, the dog breath.
Oh, yeah, it can be gnarly. And we laugh, but it may be a sign of a serious problem with your dog's teeth. And here to tell us more is Medical Director Dr. Liz Bruce with the Veterinary Medical Center in Easton. Thank you so much for being with us today, Dr. Liz.
Thank you. Hey, it's great to be here.
So, Dr. Liz, what is it about dog's breath that makes it so sometimes stinky?
Well, the smell is actually coming from plaque bacteria.
Okay.
No different than when we have bad breath. And those plaque bacteria live under the gum line. And over time, the tartar is produced from the calcium in the saliva. And you know, what is plaque is this sort of icky, stinky film on the teeth. And then it becomes that tartar, which actually harbors more bacteria, which is horrible smelling. And in worst case scenarios, when there's really periodontal disease, infection in there gets deeper. It involves the bone. It involves all the structures that hold the tooth in place, and that is where the odor is coming from.
Wow.
So we brush our teeth.
And we do, I hope.
So, so we should do the same thing for our dogs?
We should. Daily toothbrushing has absolutely been shown to be the #1 way to keep periodontal disease from happening. And it's, you know, it just has to become a habit, just like with us.
Just need to get it done.
So what type of dental problems can arise in cats' and dogs' mouths?
Cats are a little different than dogs. They're special creatures. They have very frail, brittle teeth, and they tend to have problems where their roots actually disintegrate and turn to bone. They have holes in their teeth, not unlike cavities, but they actually erode through the teeth, and the teeth can just shear off. So in cats, they either kind of have good teeth or teeth that need to come out. There's no real reparative processes, things that you can do. So you do want to keep their teeth clean, but sometimes these processes of dental disease occur despite what we do.
Okay.
Dogs are a little bit more like us. They tend to break their teeth from chewing hard things. They get plaque bacteria on their teeth, and they get caries or cavities. They have periodontal disease where that gingivitis, that inflammation at the gum, if it worsens, it actually causes attachment loss, and then they can actually lose teeth from having, you know, just like we. And the worst case, they can get actual abscessed roots, which if anybody's had tooth pain knows how uncomfortable that can be.
And we don't want them to have that. Okay, guys, please forgive me. I completely failed to introduce your friends that you brought. Would you introduce us, please?
I think we've put them to sleep.
I think we have.
Noelle. Noelle is 9. She's a French bulldog. I will mention that if you're talking about brushing a little dog like her, it's kind of hard to get back there. She's got this tiny little face, and she's kind of, you know, the teeth are usually, back teeth are way back here. So brushing a dog whose teeth are stuffed in there can be difficult to get back in here.
But you got to get them.
So sometimes you actually have to go and have a dental procedure done where their teeth are scaled and polished.
Okay.
And obviously we want dental x-rays at that time to make sure everything is okay. But sometimes little dogs like this, it's a little harder to do their teeth.
Big dog's a little easier.
Big dog's a little easier. This is just, come, Puppy. We call her Puppy, but her real name's Lydia Pearl. And this is what you want to see when you look in a dog's mouth.
Right.
Beautiful pink gum. There's no redness at the gum line, which is the gingivitis.
Right.
And you can see it would be easy for me to brush her teeth.
You know, I was getting ready to say, if you teach your dog that you're just going in and brushing their teeth, they're agreeable to it, right?
Oh yeah, especially if treats are involved.
So what kind of preventative things should we do?
Very simple. Brushing teeth every day. The habit has to be with you, because the dogs love routine. So it really is up to us to say, okay, we're going to brush our teeth now, and teach them what the words mean.
Right.
For pets who you can't do it, or you don't have time, or you know their mouths are like hers, there's dental chews. These are chews that are impregnated with a material that helps destroy bacteria. There's liquids that you can, supplements you can put in the water that are antibacterial that can help reduce the plaque bacteria in their mouth.
Right.
There's enzyme sprays. And then,
now,
of course,
will just any dog chew have what you're talking about?
no, you want to do the veterinary prescription ones or ones that are labeled veterinary chews. Not everything
Okay.
is always
Okay.
as it says.
Gotcha.
And there is a website, Veterinary Oral Health Council,
Right.
which lists those approved dental products for pets.
Okay.
But what if you have a biting dog? Like they bite a lot.
You're not going to brush their teeth, obviously, if they're biting you. So the chews, the water additives, the, sprays, things like that would be what you would do. I mean, and certainly there's a subset of dogs that just don't want you near their mouth. I'm not going to
Right.
fight with that. Toothpaste is for dogs just like our toothpaste, but it's flavored. This one is vanilla mint, which is nice. The cats like the malt and the dogs tend to like the chicken. But this is just like our toothpaste. It just doesn't have any of the fluoride in it because we
Right.
don't want them swallowing it. So you don't need to rinse their mouth. You just can use it. It's just a mild abrasive just to help get the plaque off there.
Okay.
Generally, I tell people to get a soft child's toothbrush for the smaller pets. We have a little kit here when you're first teaching your pet to have it done. There's a little plastic finger brush here that you can use to just get them introduced to the
Yeah, that's what
toothpaste
we
and
always
being near their mouth.
Yeah.
And then you can advance. I had one client who was bound and determined to do this right, and she ordered a toothbrush that was V-shaped, so she could get the inside as well, the outside. We brush our inside. The tongue of the dogs tends to keep the inside better, but certainly if you can be good at it and
hurts.
brush the inside and the outside, that's great.
And brushing or a chew will take care of the breath problem.
It will if there's no underlying periodontal
Nothing
disease.
else going on.
If you're brushing and it still smells, then I'd have to guess there could be a problem.
Check it out.
Yeah,
Take them in.
take them in.
Dr. Bruce, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you
Dr.
so
Liz.
much.
Sorry, she said not Dr. Bruce, Dr. Liz. Okay, sorry. Thank you very much. The links that she referred to, we will be sure to have them for you on delmarvalife.com.
Did we make you go to sleep?
Veterinary Medical Center in Easton. Y'all just relax, okay?